being able to have a mentor like that has the same degree as you that you can go to. Like I have a mentor who was really helpful. Like every time I have a problem in my class, I just go to him and he always helped me, and he's always there to for FaceTime or anything like that anytime I need.
They've helped me so much and has impacted me career-wise and educational-wise. Being a transfer student, it's really difficult to get more technical experience because you're in a time crunch. So when I reached out to FI program, they really went the extra mile to make sure I received those experiences and helped me solidify a micro internship that really taught me a lot about things that are just not textbook based, but really more hands-on experiences.
The LinkedIn presentation that was made by Mr. Nathan, because at that period of time I was using LinkedIn and then I was trying to figure out how to use it. Mr. Nathan gave us a lot of good tips, a lot of good to do's and to not do's, so that really helped me out. I think right now I kind of have a some sort of a professional LinkedIn profile.